When I first came to Chicago and I experienced the river cruise for the first time as a tourist, I fell in love with it, and I wanted to share more of the excitement and the fun of what Chicago architecture is with more people. Been a part of not only being a tour guide, but I've actually helped train other people as well, and I really love that. I'm a docent with Graceland Cemetery. Graceland Cemetery is on the north side of Chicago, and it is loaded with people that are the movers and shakers of Chicago's history. Jack Johnson, who was the first world heavyweight black boxing champion. Also, I'd like to mention Richard T. Greener. Richard T. Greener was an educator. He was the first African-American to graduate from Harvard University. He was also the dean of the Howard University School of Law. We are the Chicago Architecture Center. We're not just about pretty buildings, we're about the education of why these buildings exist, why the people designed them the way they did. All those things become a part of what we do as docents and give back to the community. And by doing that as a docent, I'm able to share that history that no other organization is able to do. My name is Wayne Johnson. I'm with the class of 2016. I've been with the Chicago Architecture Center now for 8 years.